Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Icholia, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create this social media ad using Microsoft PowerPoint. Now if you are not aware, you can do anything using Microsoft Office tool. So like this one I created using Microsoft PowerPoint, and that's what I'm going to show you step by step on how you can achieve this. Well, let me escape, and then we are going here to PowerPoint. In fact, let me first delete this one, or let's just begin from here. We click here to slide, then we select a blank, and then from blank you will come here to design, and then from the design you will come and click here to slide size, and then you come select custom. Okay, then from here now you are going to adjust your slide. Like this one I've put 10 inches. Okay, 10 inches, and then here is also 10 inches. Always when you are creating a social media, they have to be the same. Okay, they have to be the same. Like the width and the height has to be the same. Like this one, the width is 10 and then the height is 10. It is upon you to choose wherever you like. Okay, now we click OK, and then from here we can continue now to make this one. In fact, let me just delete this one so that we can be able to start from afresh. Okay, let me keep this one. So I'm clicking here, then from here you are going to insert, then from insert you will come here to shapes, then from the shapes you look a shape. Let me get that shape for you. It is here. You look for this shape, flowchart delay, then you click, and then you are going to shift, and then so that it can be symmetrical like this. And then after that you are going to rotate it this way, then you will bring here to the corner, and then you are going to enlarge it, and then you are going to enlarge it like this. Drag it up a bit like so. Let's say that way is okay. And then you right click on it, come here to shape outline, you remove the shape outline. There is no shape outline we are going to create there. Then here we are going to change the color of this one, so we click here to shape fill, and then we select this color. Okay, this is the color we are going to use. Then from here you are going again to click here to shapes, and then you shift on your keyboard and control, so that you can create a symmetrical ellipse tool. Okay, or ellipse figure. Then I'm going to shift and control, I enlarge it a bit, then I'll bring it here in the middle. Then from here, don't worry about this one for now, we are going to put an image here. Okay, we are going to create an image here. Now we are going to change the color of this one to be white like so. Okay, and then from here I'm going to copy this one, Control C and then Control V, and then I'm going to bring it down here, and then I'm going to reduce it, shift to reduce it like that. Okay, that's how it is. Now here we are going to place our images. Right now the next thing we need to do is to click here, and then on this rectangle tool, and then we are going to draw like this. Okay, and then we are going to change this color to be black. So I'll click here on format, and then shape fill, and then we will make it to be black. And then I'm going to click on control on my keyboard, and then I'll bring another one here, and then the fill we are going to make it orange like that, and then again control on my keyboard, then I'll click on that one, shape fill, we will make it again black. And then all of this I'm going to select them, and then the shape outline will come out to shape outline, and then we say no outline like that. Okay, and then from here I'm going to click here on text box, and then I'm going to drag like this, and then I will type the word digital. Okay, and then I'll select a good font. In fact, I'm not supposed to make it let's make it lowercase, and then we click here again, we say capitalized like that, and then we will look for a good font, When it comes to font now, you need to look for a good font. Okay, let me use this one. I'm using Arial Round, and then I'll enlarge a bit like that, and then I'm going to bring it here, but I'm going to change the color to be white like that, and then I'm just going to click on this one, then I'll control on the keyboard, then I'll bring it down, then I'll click Control A so that I can type marketing like that, and then again I'm going to Control on my keyboard, and then I'll drag that one here, Control A, and then I'll type here agency like so. Okay, then I'm going to click Control A on my keyboard, then I will change the color of this one to be black, like that. Right, now let's continue. Now I'm going to bring my logo here, so I'll come and say insert, and then picture, and then I'll locate it on my desktop. I have my folder here called logo samples, then I'll click on this one, then I'll say insert, it is here, then I'm going to click on shift, and then I'll drag this one to be small a bit like this, then I'll bring it here. Okay, bring it there on the top, and then down here let me bring this one down a bit like so, and then I need some text here. Okay, so I'll click here on the text box, and then I'll drag it like this, then I'll get my own text. Let me say I'm going to get text from somewhere else, so I'm just going to get some dummy text. Let me open this Word document, this one here like this, copy, and then we'll come back, then I'll paste it here like that. But as you can see, this text is too much. Okay, let me Control A, I click here and then Control A, then I'm going to reduce it. Let's say 14 is okay. Let's make it 14 like that, and then I'll Control A, then I will change the color of my text. Let's say make it gray like that. Right, now let's continue. I'm going to click on this image, and then I'll come and say insert picture, and then I'll go to my desktop. I have pictures here, so I'm going to select which picture. Let's say we are going to select this picture, then we say insert. Okay, once the picture is here, we are going to click on here, send it. We are going to send it backward. We'll send it again, backward, or we'll send it again back like that. Now once it is here, we will bring it forward, yeah, like that, and then we need to position it a bit where we will be able to see our image. Okay, then I'm going to right click on this one, then I'll click on format, then I'll say fill, then I'm going to make it transparent like this, so that I'll be able to check how my picture is positioned. Okay, like that, and then let's say we are going to reduce a bit again, and then we are going to do like this. Okay, once we have done like that, then we will shift on our keyboard, then double click on this one, then we'll come here to merge, then we have done intersect. But as you can see down here, our image is not cut properly, so I'm going to Control Z, and then I'll make sure our image is dropped down like that, and then again we click on shift, click on this one, double click on it, and then we will intersect. Let it be round like this. Now it's looking perfect. Okay, so again on this other circle we need also to put another image there, so we will right click here, then we say picture, then from the picture we select another image from here. Maybe we can use this one. Let's say we are going to use this one, then we insert our images here, and then I'm going to shift on my keyboard, then drag this one a bit. I think this way is okay. Can click here and send it back like so, and then we will click here forward once. Now we right click on this one, then we click on format, then the color here we reduce a bit so that we can see our image the way it looks. Then I'm going to click on my shift, then I will adjust this image a bit. Let's say that way. Sorry, this one. Alright, like that is okay. And then we shift, we click on this one, we double click, and then come here, we say intersect like that. Now on this image here, we are going to put the outline to be, we'll make it a white color, and then again we are going to weight, we select 6 like that. Also the same as to this one, the shape should be white, and then the outline we make it also 6. Now we are going to bring this one on top, so click on this one, click on format, and then bring it on top of this one like this. This way it looks nice, and then I'm going to reduce it a bit. Yes, this way is okay. Right, now after this we need now to put our telephone number down here, and then and also the email address, okay, and the website. Okay, so I'm going to click on this text box. Now click here on this text box, then we drag it like this. So we are going to type our telephone number. So this company, Quantum Technology, belongs to my friend called Curtis, so I'm doing this one for him. So here we are going to type, the number is +211 925 82 60, or it's 46, and then 10. Okay, that is the telephone number, and then we are going to reduce it. We make it 14. Yes, we make it 14. 14 is okay. And then again I'm going again to click here, and then I will type the email address, info@quantumtech.com, and then also the website is www.quantumtech.com like that. This way now is okay. And then I'm going to click on this round rectangle, and then I'll click here like that, and then I'm going to drag this one like this, and then this one we are going to make it orange, okay, or the color should be orange. We're going to fill with the orange color, so we click here on the shape fill, and then we select our orange, and then no outline, and then for this one I'm going to click on this text box, and then type something here. Now say call us today. Okay, then I'll select it, I'll come here and I say capitalize like so, and then I'll make it bold so that it can be visible, and then I'll bring it down here like that. Right, now that marks the end of this tutorial, but I promised you earlier on that we are going to do what? We are going to animate all of this stuff. Okay, so as you can see, I developed another fashion that now which is similar with the branding of the company. Okay, I did this one yesterday. So this is what we have done it now. Okay, it's all of them, they look perfect. So let's animate. Okay, so we are going to animate this one. Okay, so first I will start with the logo. So I'll click on animation, and then I will say add animation. So this one we are going to click on fly in. Okay, and then the effect we are going to make it from the left. No, let's say from right, like that. Okay, and then I'm going also this one we will make it 25. Okay, to 5 seconds, and then I'm going to click on this one, and then I'm going to click on Control G. I'll group it, and also this one Control G. I think this one we have not selected well, like that. Then we click on Control G, and then I'm going to select on this part here in the middle, Control G. Now we need to animate. So this one add animation, and then we will click on fly in, and then we come here to effect, then we say from left, like that, and then we have to delay it, and then we click on with previous. Okay, so once I've selected that one and I need all of this to be the same, so I'll come here to click on this one, and I'll click here to animation painter, and then I'll click on this one, and then I'll click on this one again, animation painter, click on this one here. Okay, all of them are the same. So let's come to this text. So this text, we will click on add animation. Let's say we swap, let's say appear. Okay, they appear, and then we click here, and then we say with previous, like that. And then now this image we are going to, okay, not that image, let's use this one first. Let's select this one first, and then I will say add animation, and I will say fly in. Okay, I think like that is okay. We can just let it fly from the bottom. Okay, like that, and then we say with previous, and then we will come to this image, and then we add animation, fly in, and then we say this one, let this one fly from the left. So we come and click here from right. Yes, like that is okay. Now we have this one. Okay, we add animation again, then we say fly in from the bottom, like that is okay. And then I'll make it, then I'll say with previous, and then now the text here, or the address here, and the telephone number. Okay, so we add animation also, then we say fly in from the bottom, like that. And then this one we didn't, let me Control G, like that. Then this one also we add animation, then we fly in from the bottom, like that. Okay, now let me delete this one. Let me delete this one first. Now we need to see what we have done. So I'll come and say slideshow, then I'll say from the beginning, then we enter again. Now this is what we have created, and this marks the end of our tutorial. Guys, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and also share it with your friends. And if there is anything else you want me to create using PowerPoint, well, write in the comment box, and then I'll see what to do. Guys, thank you for watching. See you later.